Welcome to One Question at a Time, the TSI series. Question number 102. Solve these equations for x. Square root of x minus 3 equals 6. If we're working on these questions and we need to solve our work, we have to find the domain of the equations. The domain is the interval that the solution will be within. So always remember the square root of a is going to be defined when a is greater than or equal to 0. So we see that a in this case is x minus 3 have to be greater than or equal to 0. So we just solve like the equations. We add 3 both sides. So x have to be greater than or equal to 3. If we represent it, the domain will be look like this. In the interval, x belong to equal 3 or above to infinity. If we draw it on the number line, this is infinity, this is 3, like this, and then we cross. Okay, so that is the domain. And then how we solve for this one. Now we have the domain. We know if x is not within that domain, is out here, is not the solutions. But if x value is in this interval, that will be the solutions. Okay, so we need to check this. But look at this. You see, if we have the multiple choice, we don't necessarily to be doing that step because everything is in the solutions domain. So how to working on this one? We just square both sides. And why we square both sides? We see the square root. You want to get rid of it, then you have to square both sides. Okay, the square and the square root take away. 6 squared is 36. Now we do opposite of what we see. So minus 3, we want to isolate x, so we add 3 both sides. Okay, now this one cancel. We have left with x on the left hand side equal 36 at 3, that's 39. And 39 is in this area. Okay, so this is the correct answer. 39. It's solutions of the equations square root of x minus 3 equals 6. So in this question, even though it's multiple choice, we know how to solve for the problems. We know when the square root of a functions will be defined or undefined. We know about the domain. We know how to represent the interval. We know how to represent it in the number line. And we understand what is the solutions or is not the solution, whether in the domain or is not in the domain. So hopefully this video will help you review for the test. Thank you for participating in this series and see you next time.